be the biggest one we've got yet. Welcome back, guys.
We're going crabbing again.
No crabs.
But I'm just going for a swim right now.
Alright, welcome back. We're going crabbing again. Try and get a few more crabs.
Yep. Trying up it from last time. Go for a walk and see if there's any mud crabs in all the holes, and once this tide starts pushing back in, we'll walk back up and go back into the mangroves. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but there is a massive mud crab there.
Dad's gonna go and catch it.
Yeah, coming.
Oh my god. He's a stonker.
Sounds all over. Doesn't sound cool.
Holy shit. Look at that.
You've got to be the biggest one we've got yet. Look at the nippers on it.
Yeah. He's empty.
We just checked if he's full. Right there, soft as, so
He's just molted.
he's empty. We're going to put him back, and all under there is soft. We're going to crank him back and forth. Look at the size of his nippers.
The size of my hand.
Alright,
He's insane.
that's a lucky day.
Big boy.
Alright. Good one.
Sadly, it's empty, but it's alright.
Yeah, unfortunately that one was empty, so we put him back, and no point keeping him because they got no meat in them. But it was probably the biggest crab we've ever seen so far, don't you reckon? There's all marks here, so hopefully there's
Something in there.
something in there. We'll have a look. Nah, she's empty.
Dang it.
Nothing in there.
Alright, we found like this little creek thing here, and hopefully it leads us to the ocean or something. See if there's any holes. See what's up here. Is there anything up here? Nah. No, I don't think so. Oh, I can't see anything. Ooh. I think there's a crab hole here. Or not. Alright. So there is a crab hole here, and I don't think there is anything in there. Oh! Oh my god!
What are you bloody doing, Kobe?
Oh. That's slippery.
No crabs?
No, I don't think so.
I have found my first crab. I'm so excited. That's broken. What happened? There we go. You can pick it up, but I'll pick it up.
Thank you for bite.
Flick me out. So just get it behind the legs.
Yeah, no, you got to push it down. You got to manhandle it.
Oh! God, it's got me! Let's go on board! Sorry about toes out there. Okay. I don't know if I got it right. Oh my god, my first one!
Stay there.
It's a male.
It's a male. It's a keeper.
Keeper? I don't want to snitch. I can't believe I found my first crab. Oh. Fuck's sake. Alright.
Hang on, let me check it again.
Alright.
That's two big ones we found there. How we'll measure him.
Two big ones that aren't full.
They aren't full.
Something going on.
Yeah. Well and truly.
How was that? First crab, but it's not a keeper. Oh well. We'll put him back.
Put him back.
Where was he gonna be? There you go, mate. Put up a good fight. Alright.
Take two for the day.
Take two
Yeah.
for today, yes. We
Decided to come out again.
out again. It was too hot earlier, got real hot.
Yes.
So now we're going to do a sunset mission
Crab.
Crab finding.
and on the run out, isn't it?
Yeah.
The tide's running out, so yeah, we'll just see how we go.
So tomorrow we're gonna go fishing. Where we were at the first spot today. We're gonna go back there for high tide.
So we're gonna go fishing tomorrow
Yes.
and fish the high tide.
Yes.
We need some crabs for bait.
How cool is this with the run out? Like it's just streaming out, just flowing. So beautiful this time of the afternoon. So much better than doing it in the middle of the day, that's for sure. How pretty, look at that. Yeah.
Good luck, we might see Henry falling over here.
I'm just going to dodge jungle at him.
Go.
Swing. I won't swing on this one.
How did you just get across it?
Mum, just step down there and on that little...
Oh my god!
I'm not helping. If you fall, you fall.
I can't believe I got across.
We didn't find any crabs, but you can't be upset when you walk out to a sunset like this. Kobe, run over here. Go. Run in, run in. Run in there.
We're back out here today again. We've been crabbing. We went crabbing yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon. We got some liveys for fishing today. Yeah, so the high tide's at 2:30 and the tide's on its way in now, but where we are, we're going to be sort of stranded from the tide. So we're going to be fishing out here, swimming. Zala's going to have a swim, and
She's got a snorkel.
yeah, so see if we can catch anything. So it is a bit of a walk up and around that next point there, and I think the boys are fishing over there. So we made it. That was hectic walk all over the rocks. Like, it was literally rock climbing. I didn't realize it was as far as what it is, but
At least the boys picked this spot with shade.
yeah, there's a little rock cavey, bit of shade here, thank God, because otherwise I'd die.
Kobe's on. Apparently it's a big fish.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Look at it.
Where?
Right there, over there. Right.
Oh yeah. Get it in. do you got?
Cod.
No, cod slayer. Lift it up. Right, look at that, you switch it up. Tell us what you did.
I just changed hook.
Put a smaller one on. Beautiful.